I'm super excited to be taking a look at this pen that can also be used as a memo recorder, a note taker from EAKKOR. So it does have surprisingly a large amount of memory. It's got 64 gigabytes of storage. So that means it's capable of continuously recording for around 768 hours. And that is at 195 kilobytes per second. Fully charged, it can be continuously recording for around 21 hours. And then it does have a voice operated recording function. So that means it basically automatically starts recording when the sound is above 30 decibels, and then it will pause when it's below 30 decibels. So that really helps out with saving storage space and reducing unnecessary recordings really. And on top of all of that, it does have 6 quality options from 32 kilobytes per second all the way up to 1536 kilobytes per second with higher bit rates, providing better sound qualities. In the thank you card, it explains how the product actually comes with a 1-year warranty, which can be extended. And during the warranty period, the pen refills can actually be replaced free of charge, which actually gives me a lot of confidence in this product. The fact that they're willing to go above and beyond like that, fantastic. It does explain in the instructions that you should charge it first, take this cap off, and then you can actually connect these headphones. And you should be able to test and listen to a test file. And on here, if you can see, there's some controls. So now it should be in recording mode. That should be capturing my voice as I'm talking. And we'll go back and have a look at it and see if that's the case. Okay, so to connect it to the computer to get the file off, I've just got the cable supplied, connected to the USB, and then this USB-C female slot just slips on like that. So we can see that my computer recognized it. Going to record, and this should be our file right here. So now it should be in recording mode. That should be capturing my voice as I'm talking. And we'll go back and have a look at it and see if that's the case. So that does sum up the pen from EAKKOR that is perfect for recording notes and memos. This would be perfect if you're a student, a professional, someone who needs to take notes, and maybe it's quicker to just get a couple of recordings and then you can go back, listen to it, and go through your notes later. If you're a professional that works with clients and you want to just get that extra security of note taking, this is the pen for you. Do leave a comment below, like and subscribe if you'd like more reviews just like this.